Welcome to the channel PU Prime vs TMGM. Which one's better? Let's find out. Alright, PU Prime vs TMGM. Which one takes the cake? If you don't like cake pie or another pastry, but we're going to see what this is all about. Now, TMGM, trade the world. I didn't know the world was for sale. We're also going to look at PU Prime, compare, and see which one is better. But before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right, let's throw down some personal info right here. So here one thing about this is I don't really have information. So, like, it's saying I come to TMGM, it says register. But I'm trying to figure out, like, okay, register for, I know it's a trading platform, but let's see if I can go ahead and register and what that looks like. So I'm putting in some personal info, and then I think it's going to ask for more stuff. Okay, so it looks like I was able to open this, but this is a little bit confusing here. I'm not sure if I'm registered. Put in my address, hit next. I'm gonna do live account. There's a trading password. I just click this, next. Okay. It's asking my employment. And I don't have those things, like right on it wants photo ID and proof of address. So this one's going to be a little hard. I can see the wallet right here. I'm able to deposit. I can see the dashboard. Trading tool. There's a WebTrader, Trading Central. But here's the problem. You have to do a really extensive KYC. And it doesn't tell you much stuff here. I can see there's signal trading and rewards. But until I do the verification, not much I can do with TMGM. So let's see PU Prime. Alright, PU Prime. Okay, I can see what this is. So here I have a landing page. You might say that, if I'm a trader, why is that important? Because I want to learn a little bit more about this. I can see licenses, over 300,000 active clients. Plus it shows social proof. So this looks really good. If you just say here's a website, register, I'm going to be like, well, why? What's on it? Oh, it's for trading. Yeah, okay, but give me a little bit more information. I don't need tons of it. I don't need like tons of videos and stuff, but I have good reviews here. Alright, blog posts. I can create a live or demo account, and you can see stuff about the company. So there's about us. There's extensive information here. So it's not just like, oh, okay, hey, we have trading site, jump in. It's not. So let's see. This all looks good. Cavemen look excited too. So let's go ahead and sign up. See if the sign up's good. Alright, that's pretty easy. Country of residence. Boom. I'm going to have to change that from the United States, but just email and password. So the registration's easier. I have a better understanding of what the heck it is. I can go ahead and create an account. And it's just that simple. Okay, and that was easy to do. Now I have to do identity verification here as well. But to register an account, to see what the heck's going on, to learn about the site, PU Prime is much easier. And to me, if you have a confusing UI or I'm not, you're asking too many questions and then not giving me the information I need, I need an incentive to register, not just, hey, register. And this is really a nice, easy to use UI. So all I have to do is identity verification. I can get rolling. So I'd say if I have to put a verdict, TMGM, PU Prime, it's PU Prime. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And let me know which one you might use. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.